Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to access the activity dashboard in Google Drawings. If you go to the Tools menu, way down at the bottom you'll see a link for the activity dashboard. When you click on it, a pop-up will open, and through this pop-up you can access a lot of information about the document's history, who's interacted with it, that kind of information. So immediately you'll be able to see who is this document shared with, who has viewed it in your organization, the view trends. It's a little like YouTube this way. You can see how often, were there any specific times where a lot of people were viewing the document, specific times when almost nobody was viewing the document. Track the comments, when was it getting the most comments, when was it not getting comments, the sharing history, who shared it, who unshared it, and the different privacy settings that you can use for the Google Drawing, all of which are available through the activity dashboard.